good. I did that. Like, so good. This week, I have a lot to do, but I feel like it's a lot of little stuff. If y'all have any video suggestions at all, leave them down below. It can be business content, lifestyle, like any content. If I feel like it resonates with me, I'll do it. I'm not gonna do Vlogmas, but I do want to do like 12 days of moi. So I need some videos so we can go ahead and start like planning early so I know what I gotta do. So if y'all have any video suggestions, leave them down below, please. Pretty please. I made a Halloween bundle. The video for this will be up next week on Tuesday. So this bundle will include 3 glosses. And this bundle will be available on Friday, October 8th. And it's also coming with a lip scrub. I have to make those. And these will all be available separately if you do not want the bundle. So make sure you shop October 8th. Get you some goodies. We have a red gloss, clear gloss, and a purple glitter gloss. So pretty. I just finished creating my label. Now I'm about to print it out. All I do is add a cute little picture. I always try to like match it up to the flavor of the lip scrub. So this is pumpkin cheesecake or room temperature, and I add the ingredients. That's about it. Real simple, how I like it. I'm about to head out the door. I'm gonna go wash my clothes. I gotta go to the store and pick up 3 cases of water because I literally have 1 water bottle left. I'm down bad right now, and water is like the main thing that I drink. I'll drink some orange juice, some juice, but water is my go-to, like, which it should be. I have bought a fresh thing of bread and it went bad in about 2 days. So I gotta get some new bread because I wanna make my chicken sandwich tonight, and I actually gotta take out the chicken. I'm glad I remember that. These are my favorite chicken breasts. I'm at the bank. I gotta take out some money for my car insurance. Why is he? Can y'all hear her? She loud. I thought it was a dude. That's a lady. She is loud. All right. All right. We got the money. Now let's go to my grandma's house. Excuse the floor. But now it looks like I gotta go hunting for some freaking water. I wanted to go in there and get the big pack of spring water. I wanted to get 3 packs. Y'all, it was literally empty. This is all they had in there. And this is why I always preach on my channel, to stay stocked up. And I ain't even listen to myself. I just let myself run out of water. So now I gotta go hunting. I gotta go to another store to get me my big pack of water, because this is not gonna last. Like, when I tell y'all I drink water, I drink water. Like, I'm about to give my hair a much needed wash. Y'all, I literally haven't done anything to my hair. I wake up, put my hair in a bun, I puff, or I throw my hat on, and that be it. So it's tangled, very nappy, filled with gel. So my shirt is dirty right now. Like, all right here is dirty because I just have gel falling out of my head. is clean now. Now I feel better, because it was so dirty. I can go ahead and mark this off my list. It is so ugly. I got one more clip to film and I'll be done with this video. So these go together. And then tomorrow we on a hunt for some water, because I couldn't find any cases today, any big cases. So yeah, we getting stuff done though. Let me turn my car real quick. I want to see if I can find a, I guess, like Halloween prop. In Dollar Tree we having all the goodies, okay? Especially like during the holidays, you can legit find a bunch of stuff for your business in there to like make it look cute and get like really creative. That's literally where I go all the time to get all of my like decor for my business and stuff. Now that I'm an adult and I have my own mind and I can make my own decisions, I don't really care to celebrate the holidays, but I do love decorating and I'm a very creative person. So like I cannot wait until Christmas comes around so I can like get really creative with my packaging and stuff. Because last year I had lots of fun. I brought out my Halloween stuff for the packaging. I want to see if I can find like a pumpkin or something, a jack-o'-lantern. Just something so that I can like have in the background and try to like make a video or something. Or probably a picture, because I need to post on my website. I have a lot to do. I also want to do my side hustle today. I haven't did it all week. So I want to start today and just do it all weekend and make me some money. My goal is to make 400 plus. I gotta work hard to do that, okay? Because I'm literally at 0 right now. Like, I literally haven't did any work for my side hustle this week, but I have been working. I've been vlogging. I filmed some content. I worked on the Halloween bundle. I'm done with that. I've been posting on Instagram. Yeah, so I've been doing some work. I just haven't did my side hustle work, and that bringing some good money, and I need. I am literally in here just picking up stuff. So I found these cute little pumpkins for like decor. Then I got this. Let's see what I can do with these little ugly pumpkins for a picture products. Then I got some more house stuff. This is why I don't come to Dollar Tree. I always end up picking up more than what I need. Like, they always have some good stuff in here. Dollar Tree is the move for sure. I gotta find some cute outdoor mats that are not expensive, because I do want to change those that are outside. I'm gonna get some more of these. We secured the water, guys. This is the one I get. Nature's Promise. Your girl is out of breath, okay? I'm tired. Bro, these cats. Look at the cats. Y'all see the cat? And there go another one. They be just creeping up. There's so many cats out here. That's the one thing that I hate about living out here, is that there's so many cats. But it's so... Hello. I'm good. He scared me. So many stray cats. But they don't bother you though. That's the good thing. But like, it's so peaceful out here. Like, I love it out here. I really do. got the water. Okay. I'm about to make me some cookies. I just want chocolate chip tonight. So good. My favorite. It's time for this thing to be clean once again. Alright, got that preheating. Now let's get the cookies over here.